Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Все аплодируют и веселятся. Часть вторая, страница 106, 107, 108. English, Starlight 3. Everyone claps and cheers. Homework part number 2. Page number 106, 107, 108. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 106, 106. Word lab. Exercise number 1. It's an ant world. Find what Andy the ant does every day. Это мир муравьев. Узнайте, чем занимается муравей Энди каждый день. My name is Andy. The answer. I get up at 6. I have a big breakfast. I have a shower. I go to work. I watch TV. I go to bed at 9. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Now match the sentences to the pictures. Теперь сопоставьте предложения с картинками. I get up at 6. I have a big breakfast. I have a shower. I go to work. I watch TV. I go to bed at 9. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107. Another lovely day. Exercise number 3. Put the days of the week in the correct order. Расположите дни недели в правильном порядке. Monday, the answer. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Complete the names of the following paintings by famous Russian painters. Use summer, spring, winter or autumn. Дополните названия следующих картин известных русских художников. Используйте лето, весна, зима и осень. Summer Raining in Little Russia by Иосиф Крачковский. The answer. Summer Raining in Little Russia by Иосиф Крачковский. Winter by Алексей Саврасов. Spring by Борис Кустодиев. Golden Autumn by Исаак Левитан. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Choose a season, draw a painting and give it a name. Выберите сезон, нарисуйте картинку и дайте ей имя. The answer. Fairy Spring. Сказочная весна. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. Сивка-бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Послушайте, показывайте на картинке и произносите слова. Take off. Ground. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Иванушка takes off the bandage. The princess' gold ring is on his finger. Dear father, she cries, here is my husband. Look, he is wearing my ring. How can he be your husband? Look at him. Look at his clothes. But Ivanushka says to him, please let me go out and wash. Ivanushka goes out and calls the magic horse 3 times. Sivka Burka come. At once, Sivka Burka appears and the ground starts to shake. Ivanushka climbs into the horse's right ear, climbs out of its left ear, and turns again into the handsome young man from the contest. All the people cry out in surprise. It's him, the brave man from the contest. Everyone claps and cheers. The Tsar is very happy. At last, now I have got a good, kind son, and my dear Anna has got a handsome, brave husband. And so Ivanushka marries Anna, and they live happily ever after in their palace. Every day they ride together in the palace gardens on Sivka Burka, the most famous horse in the land. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,